If you've been following along, you'll know we've covered why inflation can hurt your business and the strategies you can use to protect your costs and revenue. And today we're going to tackle a big challenge that many businesses face in these times of economic uncertainty: how to justify price changes with your customers. So we know that price changes can be hard, not just for your business, but for your customers as well. Customers are juggling their own financial pressures and can often feel uncertain when they notice an increase in pricing. It's important to acknowledge their concerns and show empathy. So transparency and communication are key when addressing these situations. So by understanding their perspective, you can build trust and demonstrate that your decisions aren't made lightly. The first step to justifying a price change is being transparent with your customers. Explain the why. For example, you can share some data or broader discussion points about rising production costs, supply chain challenges, or increased labor expenses. Don't overload them with too much information, but clarity is key. Statements like, "Over the past year, our supplier costs have increased by 20%. We worked hard to minimize how much that impact reaches you," can go a long way in showing customers you're upfront and honest about your reasons. This level of honesty builds credibility for your brand and keeps the conversation professional and respectful. The second point to communicate is the value customers continue to receive from your product or service. Remind them of the unique benefits or exceptional quality you provide. Perhaps it's the locally sourced products you offer, the expertise embedded in your service, or perks like faster delivery or personalized support. Focus on the value customers will gain for their investment beyond just the dollar amount they're paying. You can also point to the product or service improvements that you've implemented since the last price change. If you're concerned some customers will balk at the price increase, consider offering alternatives such as loyalty discounts, bundles, or promotions in exchange for a lower price increase. This approach shows that you're committed to working with them, not just selling to them, which builds a deeper connection over time. Approaching price changes with empathy, transparency, and a focus on the value you deliver, and communicating openly and offering solutions will help you not only keep your customers, but build stronger, loyal relationships. Want more invaluable insights for your small business? Subscribe to our channel today.